Are you tired of watching life happen from the sidelines? Are you ready to finally break free from the chains of fear and unlock your potential? Because in the next 10 minutes, we're going to shatter those limits and show you how to embrace fearless living without any limits. Hey everyone, and welcome. It's great to have you here. In today's video, we're diving deep into a topic that can transform your entire life: fearless living. We're not talking about being reckless or irresponsible. We're talking about consciously choosing courage over comfort, pushing past those self-imposed barriers and creating a life that truly excites you. So what is fearless living anyway? It's not the absence of fear. Fear is a natural human emotion. Fearless living is about acknowledging fear, understanding its root, and then choosing to act in spite of it. It's about having the self-confidence and the courage to pursue your dreams, even when you're terrified. Before we can overcome fear, we need to understand where it comes from. Most of the time, fear isn't based on reality. It's based on limiting beliefs, those negative thoughts and assumptions we hold about ourselves and the world around us. These limiting beliefs are often formed in childhood through experiences or even just by absorbing the opinions of others. They can sound like, "I'm not good enough, I'm not smart enough, I'll probably fail. I don't deserve success, I'm not worthy." These beliefs become ingrained, like a program running in the background of your mind, constantly sabotaging your efforts and holding you back. The first step is to identify them. Ask yourself these questions. What am I afraid of trying? What are the negative thoughts that come up when I think about pursuing my goals? What have I been told I can't do? Write down your answers. Don't judge them, just acknowledge them. This awareness is crucial. Once you've identified your limiting beliefs, it's time to challenge them. Ask yourself, are these beliefs actually true, or are they just stories I've been telling myself? Often you'll find that your limiting beliefs are based on assumptions, not facts. For example, if you believe I'm not good at public speaking, ask yourself, what evidence do I have that this is true? Perhaps you stumbled once or twice. What evidence do I have that this is false? Perhaps you've given presentations that were well received. Is this belief helpful to me? What is the worst thing that could happen? Then reframe the belief into something more positive and empowering. Instead of "I'm not good at public speaking," try "I'm learning to be a better public speaker, and with practice, I'll improve." This is a powerful exercise that begins to rewire your brain and allows you to push past your fear. It increases your self-confidence. Self-confidence is the foundation of fearless living. It's the belief in your ability to handle whatever life throws your way. But how do you build self-confidence when you're feeling scared? Start small. Don't try to conquer your biggest fear overnight. Break it down into smaller, more manageable steps. The power of small wins. Set achievable goals. Celebrate every success, no matter how small. Acknowledge your progress. Focus on your strengths, not your weaknesses. For example, if you're afraid of networking, start by attending a small social gathering where you know one or two people. Focus on having a few meaningful conversations. That's a win. The more small wins you accumulate, the more your self-confidence will grow. Remember to practice self-compassion. Be kind to yourself. Mistakes are inevitable. They're part of the learning process. Don't beat yourself up over failures. Learn from them and move on. Fearless living isn't about avoiding risk altogether. It's about taking calculated risks, stepping outside your comfort zone and stretching yourself. Your comfort zone is that familiar place where everything feels safe and predictable, but it's also where growth stagnates. To live your best life, you need to venture outside of it. Here's how to calculate risk. Assess the potential downsides. What's the worst that could happen? Is it something you can recover from? Consider the potential upsides. What are the benefits of taking this risk? Weigh the pros and cons. Is the potential reward worth the potential risk? Start with small risks. Get comfortable with discomfort. For example, if you dream of starting your own business but you're afraid of failure, don't quit your job tomorrow. Start by researching your market, developing a business plan, and talking to other entrepreneurs. Then take small steps like launching a side hustle or testing your product with a small group of customers. Fear of failure is one of the biggest obstacles to fearless living, but the truth is failure is inevitable. Everyone fails at some point. The key is to not let failure define you. See failure as a learning opportunity. What can you learn from this experience? How can you improve next time? Reframe your perspective on failure. Failure is not the opposite of success, it's a part of success. Every mistake is a lesson in disguise. The only real failure is not learning from your mistakes. Focus on effort, not just outcomes. Thomas Edison famously said, "I have not failed, I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work." Embrace that mindset. Your mindset plays a huge role in your ability to embrace fearless living. A growth mindset is the belief that your abilities and intelligence can be developed through dedication and hard work. People with a growth mindset embrace challenges, persist through obstacles, see effort as the path to mastery, learn from criticism, and find inspiration in the success of others. Shift from a fixed mindset to a growth mindset. Instead of saying, "I'm not good at this," say, "I'm not good at this yet." Instead of avoiding challenges, seek them out. Instead of giving up easily, persevere through difficulty. Instead of being afraid of criticism, welcome it as an opportunity to learn and grow. Develop a love for learning. Read books, take courses, attend workshops, and never stop expanding your knowledge and skills. The more you learn, the more confident you'll become. You don't have to embrace fearless living alone. Surrounding yourself with supportive people who believe in you can make a huge difference. Build a tribe of like-minded individuals. Connect with people who inspire you and challenge you to grow. Seek out mentors who can provide guidance and support. Join communities of people who share your interests and goals. Distance yourself from people who are negative or discouraging. Remember that you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Choose your friends wisely. Fearless living isn't a one-time event. It's a daily practice. It requires consistent effort and a commitment to pushing yourself outside your comfort zone every day. Find ways to step outside your comfort zone daily. Say yes to new opportunities. Try something you've always been afraid of. Speak up in a meeting. Share your ideas with others. Ask for help when you need it. Even small actions can make a big difference over time. The more you practice courage, the easier it becomes. So, let's recap what we've covered today. To embrace fearless living, you need to 1. Identify and challenge your limiting beliefs. 2. Build self-confidence through small wins. 3. Take calculated risks and step outside your comfort zone. 4. Embrace failure as a learning opportunity. 5. Cultivate a growth mindset. 6. Surround yourself with supportive people. 7. Take action every day. Now, it's your turn. The world needs your unique talents, your passion, your voice. Don't let fear hold you back from living your best life. Close your eyes and imagine what is possible. Imagine your future without any limits. It starts today. Right now, I want you to commit to taking one small step towards your dreams. What's one thing you can do today to push yourself outside your comfort zone? Share it in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video. Subscribe to our channel for more inspiration and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Unlock your potential, overcome your fear, live your best life. It's time to embrace fearless living.